Honourable the Chief Justice of the High Court of Kerala, Mr. Justice Nitin Jamdar, Honourable Mr. Justice Dinesh Kumar Singh, Honourable Judges of the High Court of Kerala, President Kerala High Court Advocates Association, Chairman Bar Council of Kerala, President Kerala High Court Senior Advocates Association, the President Kerala Federation of Women Lawyers Kerala High Court Unit, law officers of the state, Deputy Solicitor General, Senior Central Standing Council Taxes and other law officers of the central government, law officers of the Union Territory of Lakshadweep, learned senior advocates, esteemed fellow members of the bar, Registrar General, registrars and staff of the High Court, friends and family members of Justice Dinesh Kumar Singh, staff of the Advocate General's Office, advocates clerks, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I rise with tinge of bitter-sweet emotion as we bid farewell to a distinguished luminary of our judicial fraternity, Justice Dinesh Kumar Singh, who now proceeds to assume office as a judge at the High Court of Karnataka following his transfer from this honourable court. Though my Lord's sojourn at the High Court of Kerala was relatively brief, you will certainly be leaving an ineffaceable impression on both the bar and bench. Born on 18th August 1966 in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, to Sri Guru Prasad and Srimati Phul Kanwar, my Lord began an academic journey marked by excellence and perseverance. From Sri Vidya Mandir Inter College, Hamirpur to Bipin Bihari Degree College, Jhansi. From the hallowed halls of University of Allahabad, from where you secured a degree in law, to a postgraduate degree in law from Delhi University. Enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of Delhi in 1993, my Lord began practicing at Allahabad High Court before shifting to the Supreme Court of India in 1998. During your practice at the bar, you remained indifferent to materialistic pursuits and other extraneous considerations. You approached every case entrusted you with utmost honesty, integrity, and diligence. You firmly believed that in the legal profession, true success lies not in shortcuts, but in capability, sincerity, and an unwavering commitment to the ethical practice. And your journey stands as a testament to that conviction. The following words of yours, spoken to while addressing a fraternal meeting of legal professionals, stand as a towering testimony to this very philosophy, a reflection of your unwavering belief that integrity and competence, not material gain, are the true makers of success in the legal profession. I quote, "Being a lawyer is a very big thing. Shops keep on running, they keep on closing. Don't worry if someone purchases a very big car. When I was practicing in the Supreme Court, lawyers used to come there in big cars. I never saw who used to come in which car. These external things makes no difference. In this profession, if one is capable enough and is honest in his endeavors, they can achieve greater heights." Unquote. Your practice covered a rich and complex array of legal disciplines: constitutional, administrative, civil, taxation, arbitration, and criminal. Your appointment as Additional Advocate General for the states of Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand and as Senior Panel Counsel of the Union of India demonstrate the trust reposed in your legal acumen by the Union and multiple state governments alike. On 22nd September 2017, my Lord was elevated as an additional judge at the Allahabad High Court and was made a permanent judge on 6th September 2019. The clarity of thought, decisiveness, the innate sense of fairness that distinguished my Lord's practice at the bar continued to define your judicial tenure with equal distinction. My Lord's stint at the High Court of Allahabad was in fact a relentless crusade against organized crime, marked by an unwavering commitment to justice and the rule of law. You reportedly recalled thus about your judicial spell at the Allahabad High Court. I quote, "My endeavor is to do justice without fear and error, without partiality and with courage. If we do not have the required courage, then we cannot stop hooliganism. Only a courageous person can stop hooliganism." unquote. My Lord was transferred to the High Court of Kerala with effect from 21st July 2023 and has ever since remained an intrinsic and admirable part of our state's judicial tradition. One of the most striking qualities that we observed in my Lord as a judge was your swift and effortless grasp of complex legal issues, often cutting straight to the heart of the matter with remarkable clarity and responding with dispassionate precision. You consistently engaged with members of the bar during arguments, revealing the contours of your judicial thought process, which in turn enabled the counsel to effectively and satisfactorily present their contentions. Reserved judgments were never left lingering, delivered promptly, applauded without delay, and marked always by analytical rigor and ethical reflection. The bar deeply appreciated this diligence. We are told, perhaps with some irony, that Kerala was not among my Lord's initial preference for transfer, despite having visited this state 2 or 3 times earlier, until then and having admittedly found this to be a beautiful place. But as fate would have it, you came to this land we call God's own country. I trust you depart with not only pleasant memories of our land, but also a legal fraternity that is deeply committed, fiercely independent, and profoundly respectful of the bench. On a personal note, I take this occasion to fondly recall the warmth of my Lord's hospitality, which I had the privilege of experiencing when I attended your son's wedding in Lucknow. My Lord, as you prepare to don the mantle of a judge at the High Court of Karnataka, we are confident that the state of Karnataka will benefit immensely from your wisdom, your lucidity, and your steadfast loyalty to the Constitution. While speaking at the farewell event organized by the Office of the Advocate General Uttar Pradesh on the occasion of my Lord's transfer to this Honourable Court, you graciously assured the legal community there that you would always be just a call away. We too earnestly hope and believe that you will extend the same warmth and accessibility to the members of the bar in this state. On behalf of the Bar of Kerala, I extend our deepest respect and warmest wishes to my Lord, to your wife, Srimati Archana Singh, your son Advocate Santanu, and your daughter Atya, a law student. May this new chapter bring continued excellence, profound satisfaction, and enduring success with gratitude and with great reverence. We bid my Lord farewell. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Honourable Ms. Justice Nitin Jamda, Chief Justice, Honourable Justice D.K. Singh, Judges of this Honourable Court, former Judges of this Honourable Court, Advocate General, Director General of Prosecution, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Chairman of the Bar Council of Kerala, State Attorney, Secretary and the Executive Committee members of the Kerala High Court Advocates Association, Coordinator, High Court Mediation Centre, respected senior advocates, the Registrar General, registrars and staff of this court, law officers of the state and the central government, friends and family members of Justice D.K. Singh, advocate clerks, my colleagues at bar, my brothers and sisters. It is with profound sense of respect and gratitude that we gathered today to bid farewell to Honourable Justice Dinesh Kumar Singh, a jurist of remarkable intellect and unwavering commitment, as he embarks on a new chapter in his illustrious career at the Karnataka High Court. Justice Singh's journey in the legal profession is a testament to the dedication, scholarship, and service to justice. Born in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, Justice Singh's academic foundation was built on the bachelor's degree in law from Allahabad University and an LLM from Delhi University. His legal practice, spanning the Allahabad High Court and the Supreme Court of India, showcased his expertise in constitutional, administrative, commercial, civil, taxation, arbitration, and criminal laws. His role as Additional Advocate General for Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand and Senior Panel Counsel for the Union of India further underscored his stature as a legal luminary. Appointed as an additional judge at the Allahabad High Court in 2017 and later as a permanent judge in 2019, Justice Singh brought his vast experience to the Kerala High Court in July 2023. Justice D.K. Singh's tenure at the Kerala High Court, though brief, has left an indelible mark on our institution. Your integrity, independence, boldness, and the speed of delivery of judgments was highly appreciated by the bar. Your judgments reflected your deep commitment to justice and fairness. Your ability to navigate complex questions with clarity and compassion has earned you the respect of advocates and litigants alike. As we bid farewell, we acknowledge that transitions are an integral part of judicial service aimed at fostering a robust and a dynamic judiciary across our nation. The Karnataka High Court is fortunate to welcome a judge of your caliber, and we are confident that you will continue to uphold the highest standards of justice, integrity, and impartiality in your new role. With this transfer, Justice D.K. Singh will be the 5th senior most judge in the Karnataka High Court, and by that scale, this transfer is also a promotion. On behalf of Kerala High Court, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to Justice D.K. Singh for his invaluable contribution. We wish him strength, wisdom, and success as he takes on his new responsibilities at the Karnataka High Court. May your journey continue to inspire and illuminate the path of justice for all of us. The KHCA expresses our gratitude to Mrs. Archana Singh for her continuing support to Justice D.K. Singh in discharging his duties as a judge. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Brother Justice D.K. Singh, esteemed sister and brother judges, the Advocate General, law officers of the State, Union of India and Union Territory, Chairman, Bar Council of Kerala, President, Kerala High Courts Advocate Association, President, Senior Advocates Association, President, Kerala Federation of Women Lawyers, Senior Advocates, members of the Bar, Mrs. Archana Singh, members of the Advocates Clerks Association, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have assembled here to bid farewell to a distinguished judge of this court, Justice D.K. Singh, as he takes on his new role, the High Court of Karnataka, making another milestone in his illustrious career. Justice D.K. Singh was born on 18th August 1966 to late Guru Prasad Singh and Mrs. Phul Kunwar at Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. After graduating from Bipin Bihari Degree College in Jhansi, Justice D.K. Singh acquired degree in law from Allahabad University and LLM from Delhi University. Justice D.K. Singh was enrolled as an advocate in the Bar Council of Delhi in 1993 and started his practice in Allahabad High Court. He practiced the Allahabad High Court till the year 1997. Thereafter, he shifted his practice to the Supreme Court. Justice D.K. Singh was a senior panel counsel for Union of India. He was also Additional Advocate General for the state of Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand. In recognition of his hard work and dedication, Justice D.K. Singh was elevated to the bench of Allahabad High Court at an additional judge on 22nd September 2017. He was appointed as a permanent judge of Allahabad High Court on 6 September 2019, and he was in office as such till 20th July 2023. Justice D.K. Singh assumed office of the judge of this court on 21st July 2023. After rendering nearly 2 years of exemplary service in this court, Justice D.K. Singh will now continue his work at the High Court of Karnataka. Throughout his tenure in Kerala High Court, Justice D.K. Singh presided on numerous cases with fairness, impartiality, and courage. Justice D.K. Singh has dealt with cases in varied jurisdiction, more particularly making his mark in writ jurisdiction. Justice Singh has authored judgments with deep understanding of the law and commitment to justice. Ruling rendered by him reflect a balanced approach based on legal principles and broader implications on the society in mind. To cite a few, he ruled that a person residing in state can register his vehicle with any registering authority within the state, irrespective of his place of residence or business in the state. He also held that while the government may set up vehicle scrapping facilities under the model with the partnership model with the KSRTC, private individuals or legal entities are also not barred if they fulfill the conditions and their applications are in accordance with law. He also declared that the maintenance tribunal does not have a power to issue injunction order. There are many more such decisions. On the administrative side, Justice D.K. Singh served as the chairperson for the Committee for Juvenile Justice and to monitor progress of trials under the POCSO Act. He was president of the Board of Governors in the Arbitration Center of the High Court. He was also on the Board of Governors of Kerala Judicial Academy, member of the Committee for Upkeep and Maintenance of the High Court Guest House and Lyceum. He was also on the committee to monitor completion of project of infrastructure within district judiciary. He was also a judge in charge of a district. Justice D.K. Singh has a passion for justice, a commitment to uphold the rule of law, and sound knowledge of core legal principles. He possesses all the characteristics that are foundational to our legal system. We, on this occasion, extend our best wishes and congratulations to Mrs. Archana Singh for the strength and support she has extended to him in the discharge of his duties as a judge of this court. On behalf of all the members of the legal fraternity, I convey our deep appreciation for the invaluable contribution of Justice D.K. Singh to the judiciary of this state, and we wish him all the success and fulfillment in his future endeavors. Thank you.
Honourable the Chief Justice, Nitin Jamdar, my esteemed brother and sister judges, distinguished former judges of this court, Mr. Advocate General Kurup, the Chairman of the Bar Council of Kerala, the President of the High Court Bar Association, the Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India, other distinguished law officers of the state and Union of India, the senior advocates present, the other members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen, the Registrar General, Mr. Gopakumar, the Registrar District Judiciary, Registrar Vigilance, Registrar Judicial, Registrar Computerization, Registrar Administration, Registrar Recruitment, Mr. Jyotilal, Additional Registrar, who was the convener of the Juvenile Justice Committee, Mrs. Jubia, Director of Arbitration Center, I am thankful to all the speakers, including my Chief Justice, for the kind words spoken about me. I am delighted to see many of you gathered here after your hard work of the day. Full stop. So my speech would be incomplete if I don't begin my oration with the introduction of God's own country, Kerala. Namaskaram. Kerala, often referred to as God's own country, has indeed been a blessed place to serve. It is the land of Adi Guru Sankaracharya, who integrated the country by establishing 4 mutts in the 4 corners of the great nation. In the south, Sringeri Sharda Peetham; in north, Jyotirmath in east, Govardhan Math Puri, and in west, Dwarka Sarda Pidam. In Kashmir, a revered Hindu shrine is located at peak of Sankarachar Hill in Srinagar. Adi Sankarachar could convince Mandan Mishra about Advait Vedanta philosophy, and his samadhi is in Kedarnath. Another great person from this land is Narayan Guru, who integrated the society and uplifted the downtrodden. The land of lush greenery, serene backwaters, and vibrant culture has left an indelible mark on my heart. I will always treasure the warmth and hospitality of its people, the beauty of its landscape, and the richness heritage it possesses. In this moment of farewell, I am filled with mixed emotions of gratitude for the privilege of serving this noble institution, nostalgia for the memories we have created together, and a sense of new beginning that lie ahead. That the High Court of Kerala, with its rich history and noble traditions, has been my second home for around 2 years. I have been deeply impressed by the erudition of the bar, the diligence of the registry, and the unwavering commitment of my sister and brother judges to uphold the rule of law. It is with profound sense of gratitude and a touch of melancholy that I am before you today. The opportunity to serve in this esteemed High Court of Kerala for the past 2 years has been a privilege that I will forever cherish. I strongly believe in the Almighty. I would like to quote the last words of Lokman Bal Gangadhar Tilak at his historic trial in 1908, spoken in Tilak Hall courtroom of the Bombay High Court, from where my Chief Justice comes from. There is a plaque placed before the Tilak Hall. I quote, in spite of the verdict of my jury, I maintain that I am innocent. There are higher powers that rule the destiny of men and the nations, and it may be the will of providence that the cause I represent may prosper more by my suffering than my remaining free. Unquote. I value deeply the support granted to me by my family, my wife Archana Singh, my son Advocate Santanu, my daughter Adya are the most appreciable ones. They stood by me like rocks and pillars of strength at the moment of doubt whether I should take the oath in Kerala or not on my transfer. My mother, who is around 89 years old, always blessed me. The only regret is that being present at far-off place, I could not take care of her the way I wanted to. After I was transferred here, my son got married on 11th March 2024. I am ever grateful to my sister and brother judges, Advocate General, senior advocates, and other members of the bar, as well as His Excellency the Governor, for gracing the occasion. My daughter-in-law Subhi, after completing her master's from King's College, is now in the profession with my son Santanu. My daughter Adya is pursuing law from Jindal Global Law University and is in her 4th year. My wife, though a law graduate, chose to devote her time. For me and my family, her sacrifices are immense, and without her unwavering support, I would not be who I am today. In addition to the judicial work, this court has enriched me with immense experience on the administrative side. Thus, during my tenure of 2 years as judge, I fortunately got the opportunity to serve on the post of chairperson of the Committee for Juvenile Justice and to regulate and monitor progress of trials under the POSCO Act. President of the Arbitration Center and the member of the Board of Governors of the Judicial Academy. I had the administrative charge of the districts of Palakkad, Thrissur, and Alappuzha. My tenure here has been a period of immense learning and professional growth. Every case, every argument, and every interaction has added to my understanding of the law, and more importantly, of human nature. I have been fortunate to witness firsthand the resilience of individuals seeking justice and the profound impact that a fair and impartial judiciary can have on their lives. Justice has been and continues to be a constant endeavor. And while serving on the bench, I have always tried to ensure that public faith in the judicial system is increased. After all, the real efficacy and credibility of a judicial system are measured by the public faith that it enjoys. I cannot say whether I have succeeded in achieving the same, and honestly, that judgment never lies with the judge. But I can say with certainty that I have felt a great sense of satisfaction in serving the cause of justice to the best of my ability. If in discharge of my duties I have inadvertently caused any inconvenience or hurt to anyone, I seek kind understanding and forgiveness. My intentions have always been guided by the pursuit of justice and the dictates of my conscience. My family has also greatly enjoyed our time in Kochi and Kerala, and we will cherish the warmth and hospitality we have received from my sister and brother judges and bar members. I am deeply grateful to the Chief Justice of Kerala, Mr. Nitin Jamdar, and the entire judiciary for their guidance, support, and trust. Your wisdom, leadership, and commitment to upholding the rule of law have been a constant source of inspiration. I am thankful for the opportunities you have provided to me to serve this noble institution and the people of Kerala. To my colleague, I am indebted to our collaboration and shared passion for justice. We have worked together and deliberated on countless cases, and our collective commitment to justice has remained unwavering. I will cherish the memories of our interactions both in and out of the courtroom. The registry, staff members, lawyers, and all those who work behind the scenes deserve special mention. Your tireless efforts, dedication, and expertise are the backbone of our judicial system. You have made my job easier, and I am grateful for your support. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the legal fraternity comprising esteemed lawyers, advocates, senior advocates who have enriched my understanding of the law through their arguments and insights. Your passion for justice and commitment to the legal professions are truly commendable. To the young budding lawyers, all I have to say is believe in yourselves. Being a lawyer is a great thing, and in this noble profession, if one is honest and sincere in their endeavor, they can succeed and reach great heights. I am confident that both the bar and the bench would continue to do their best to ensure that the law is duly administered as per the mandates of our Constitution. I have many diffused debts to discharge. I would like to thank my team who have been instrumental in my work. To my private secretary, Mrs. Sindhu CS, your administrative expertise and professionalism have been invaluable. I would like to extend my thanks to Srimati Sini Balakrishnan, Court Officer, Srimati Raj Lakshmi V, my listing officer, for the smooth functioning of my court. To my personal assistant, Srimati Jinsi Jain Joseph, Srimati Lakshmi S. Nair, Srimati Sara Joy, Srimati Anju Paul, Srimati Sivani, for their tireless efforts and unwavering support. The research assistants, Ms. Pawnami PK and Ms. Sri Lakshmi Sunil, who the research and insightful analysis have been a tremendous help. I am thankful to the late Ms. Sajid, Mr. Dhanesh, AS, Mr. Ebin, who are on escort and pilot duty for facilitating my movements with precision and care. My sincere thanks to Mr. Siad, my driver, who has safely transported me to and from the court and other places, ensuring my timely presence. I am also grateful to the personal security officers, Mr. Midhun and George Nirmal, who have ensured my safety and security with utmost vigilance. I would like to thank Srimati Beena and Srimati Santi for taking care of me at guest house, Mr. Rafiq, Mr. Flex, Mr. Asraf, the caretakers at the guest house, Mr. Vishnu, Mr. Suresh, Mr. Rijo, and Mr. Sirik Kuttan, my guards. As I bid adieu to this chapter of my life, I do so with a sense of gratitude and a heart full of memories. I will carry the lessons, experiences, and friendship forged here to my new posting. I wish the High Court of Kerala continued success, progress, and excellence in dispensing justice to the people. I look forward to the challenges and opportunity that await me in my new role at the High Court of Karnataka. I assure that I will carry the lessons learned and the experiences gained here to my future assignments. Thank you all once again for your kindness, cooperation, and support. It has been an honor and a privilege to be part of this distinguished institution. I bid you all a heartfelt farewell and wish you continued success and prosperity. And I reflect on my journey, as I reflect on my journey, I am reminded of the timeless wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita, Karmande Vadikaraste Ma Phaleshu Kadachin. You have a right to perform your duty, but for the results you have no control. May we strive to perform our duties with diligence and dedication, leaving the outcome to a higher power. As it is said, the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promised to keep and miles to go before I sleep. My journey continues, but a part of my heart will always remain with this court, with all of you. Thank you. Jai Hind.